1. Present simple English. I eat breakfast every day. French. Je mange le petit déjeuner tous les jours. Used to describe habitual actions or general facts. 2. Present continuous English. I am eating breakfast right now. French. Je suis en train de manger le petit déjeuner maintenant. Used to describe actions happening at the moment of speaking. 3rd past simple English. I ate breakfast yesterday. French. J'ai mangé le petit déjeuner hier. Used to describe actions that happened at a specific time in the past. 4. Past continuous English. I was eating breakfast when you called me. French. Je mangeais le petit déjeuner quand tu m'as appelé. Used to describe actions that were ongoing in the past when another action occurred. 5. Future simple English. I will eat breakfast tomorrow. French. Je mangerai le petit déjeuner demain. Used to describe actions that will happen in the future. 6. Future continuous English. I will be eating breakfast at 8 a.m. tomorrow. French. Je serai en train de manger le petit déjeuner à 8 heures demain. Used to describe actions that will be happening at a specific time in the future. 7. Present perfect English. I have eaten breakfast already. French. J'ai déjà mangé le petit déjeuner. Used to describe actions that happened at an unspecified time before now or have relevance to the present. 8. Present perfect continuous English. I have been eating breakfast for 20 minutes. French. Je mange le petit déjeuner depuis 20 minutes. Used to describe actions that started in the past and are still continuing. 9. Past perfect English. I had eaten breakfast before I left the house. French. J'avais mangé le petit déjeuner avant de quitter la maison. Used to describe actions that were completed before another past action. 10th past perfect continuous English. I had been eating breakfast for 20 minutes when you called me. French. Je mangeais le petit déjeuner depuis 20 minutes quand tu m'as appelé. Used to describe actions that were ongoing in the past before another past action occurred. 11. Future perfect English. I will have eaten breakfast by 8 a.m. tomorrow. French. J'aurai mangé le petit déjeuner avant 8 heures demain. Used to describe actions that will be completed before a certain time in the future. 12. Future perfect continuous English. I will have been eating breakfast for 20 minutes by 8 a.m. tomorrow. French. Je serai en train de manger le petit déjeuner depuis 20 minutes avant 8 heures demain. Used to describe actions that will be ongoing for a certain period before a specific time in the future.